New features and enhancements in ASAP 2010 include additional library resources, enhancements to the BRO Digitizer and REMOTE features, biaxial birefringence modeling, support for the import and export of new photometric data formats, updated CAD interoperability, as well as other software repairs and enhancements. LightSource library additions in ASAP 2010 consist of over 40 new models, including Luxion, Osram, Philips, and Bridgelux sources. The scatter model library has also been expanded, with new Alinod Miro, Moldtec, and Tenneback models. With the enhanced BRO Digitizer, users can now automatically find one or multiple data curves on a graph. Enhanced Remote offers better file handling, access from scripting, and new tools for summing and averaging results. New photometric data transfer features allow for the import and export of files in the EU LUMDAT and IES LM6302 data formats. The optional ASAP CATIA interoperability add-on now allows ASAP to open native files from the CATIA V5R13 through R20 releases. And the new BIC command can be used to model materials with biaxial birefringent properties such as thin film coatings. These and dozens of other command enhancements and customer requested changes make ASAP 2010 a productivity enhancing release with reach into applications beyond any previously available commercial software. Contact us today to learn more.